Most traders don't lose because they don't know strategies. They lose because they keep trading against the trend. And now many beginners make it worse by asking AI to predict the market. AI won't save you, but used correctly, it can stop you from making the same mistakes. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to stay on the right side of the trend, where to enter without guessing, and how to use AI to structure your trades. Dear traders, quick update. We have a promo code for our viewers. You can find it in the description under this video. Use the special link in the description to activate the promo code and get the bonus. Hi, I'm Leo. The core idea is simple. Follow the trend using 2 moving averages, and only enter on pullbacks, not random guesses. If you just follow this rule, you already avoid most beginner mistakes. Let's open Bitcoin on the Margex chart. Choose a clean time frame like the 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Now add 2 indicators, EMA 50 and EMA 200. That's all we need. EMA 200 shows the big market trend. EMA 50 shows the shorter term movement. If EMA 50 is above EMA 200, the market is in an uptrend. If it's below, the market is in a downtrend. You can even use AI here as a quick check, not to predict anything, but to confirm what the chart is already showing. Here's the rule that changes everything. We only trade in the direction of the trend. Uptrend, look for longs. Downtrend, look for shorts. But we don't enter immediately. The entry comes from a pullback. In an uptrend, price often moves back toward EMA 50 and then continues higher. When price pulls back and starts moving up again, that's where traders look for a long entry. This is where AI can actually help. Ask AI to turn your setup into a simple checklist. You'll find the prompt in the description, as always. And AI will give you something like this. You just go through the checklist. In a downtrend, the idea is the same. Price pulls back toward EMA 50, then continues lower. That's where traders look for short entries. Now let's execute the trade on Margex. Choose your position size. If you're learning, use low leverage, for example 5x. Use a market order for instant execution, or a limit order if you want a better entry price. After the trade opens, set your stop loss. For long trades, below the recent swing low. For short trades, above the swing high. You can also ask AI to review your setup before entering. AI will often point out what you missed, weak reaction, no clear confirmation, or poor risk to reward. If something is unclear, skip the trade. For take profit, traders often target the previous high or low. Another common approach is using a risk to reward ratio, for example 1:2. This strategy is simple, and that's exactly why it works. It removes guessing and keeps you trading with the direction of the market. Quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. AI can make your analysis faster, but it does not make decisions for you, and it does not manage your risk. All trading decisions are your own responsibility. If you want more trading strategies explained step by step on Margex, subscribe.